Hey everyone, welcome to this updated DWEB tutorial on staking your top level domains. So now, as you sell subdomains, you can earn recurring revenue on your top level domains. Let's jump right into how to do it. So here we are at dns.decentraweb.org. We are logged in with our wallet. Let's go to my account and stake domains. In this case, I'm going to click top level domains only. Let's go down to .anything as our top level domain. We see that it is not staked here. Let's click stake. And here's the page where we're going to choose some settings around our stake domain. So first, we want our registration fee. This is the initial fee that anybody that wants to buy a subdomain will pay. And then we can choose whether or not we want it to be renewable. This is a brand new change we made from feedback from the community because some people want to have subdomains that never expire and some people want to have domains that are renewable every year. So let's go ahead and click renewable for this one. And then we choose the renewal fee. Now the renewal fee can be anything up to the registration fee. So if you wanted it to be $1, that's fine. If you want it to be $9, that's fine. If you want it to be $10, that's fine. But you cannot go higher than the initial registration fee. So let's get out of there and just do $10 sounds fine. Now it's worth noting that if anybody has already minted subdomains on your top level domain and they did not have expiration when they were minted, they will never have expiration. So any subdomains that are already minted will never have expiration if they didn't have it initially. It's also worth noting that when a subdomain is minted, so if somebody mints something on .anything and they pay $10, then the renewal fee will always be $10 for them. So if later you raise this up to $100, that will only apply to new subdomains that are minted. Let's keep it at 10 and click commit. And we have a MetaMask signature that we need to sign. This is just a signature. This is not a transaction, so it does not cost us any gas. Should only take a moment, and there it goes. Perfect. So now we see that it is staked, and we'll see our staked top level domains. We have .anything here, registration fee $10, and SLD renewal fee $10. Now let's say we have a top level domain that is already staked, but there is no renewals. Like this one I have right here, .ral. So we see that the registration fee is $20 and there's no renewal. We don't need to unstake and restake it. All we need to do is click edit prices, and then we can just change it from no expiry to renewable. And again, you could choose up to $20 here since that is the registration fee. Click commit. MetaMask opens up, we have a signature, scroll down to the bottom, click sign, and bam, we're in business. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, reach out to the team on Discord and we'll be more than happy to help you there. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.